As we acclimatize to living with COVID, we need to embrace life in a new norm. As such, we want all our shoppers and employees to have peace of mind when they're in our malls like Gateway at KLIA 2, Sky Park Terminal, Paradigm Mall Petaling Jaya, or Paradigm Mall Johor Bahru. At WCT Malls, our utmost priority is to protect the safety of all our shoppers and employees. Besides adhering to strict SOPs, we're also concerned for areas that are confined and damp, especially washrooms, surrounds, mothers' rooms, as they are much more prone to airborne viruses, bacteria, and other allergens. Therefore, we partnered with Panasonic to install Panasonic Air E generators equipped with nanoe technology.
Panasonic is excited to partner with WCT Group. nanoe is Panasonic's patented air purification technology designed by leveraging the power of hydroxyl radical contained in water to purify the air, inhibiting pollutants and deodorizing strong odors. nanoe has been proven to be over 99% effective at inhibiting all 4 variants of novel coronavirus.
Here at the New World Hotel, we take safety and security of our guests very serious. When we became aware of Panasonic's nanoe system and their Panasonic Air E devices, we've gone ahead and installed those into a lot of our public areas where people congregate, like our meeting spaces, public restrooms, and our fitness center. This technology is very helpful in safeguarding our guests, not just disinfecting the air, but also they feel assured that the hotel is taking the extra steps to look out for them and safeguard them. Well, outside government SOPs, we also post service staff's MySejahtera vaccination cards. And we also have quite a strict regime of cleaning and sanitizing the building.
I feel that WCT truly understands and cares for business travelers like me. I'm grateful for the extra protection they provide against COVID from the moment I arrived at the airport and throughout my stay in this beautiful city.
We're very happy with our partnership with Panasonic, which allows us to create a safe, a clean and comfortable environment for all our valued shoppers and employees.